Hello everyone, today I'm going to talk about the origin of birds, the evolution of birds. Birds come from long line of survivors. It started millions of years before the asteroid struck with the dinosaur family called theropod. The theropod family, they evolved millions of years to become today's birds. In 1997, a new species was discovered in Germany. It was called the new species was called Archaeopteryx, meaning the ancient wing. It was 150 million years old, and it is also known as the first bird capable of flight. They found out that Archaeopteryx, it was combination between birds and dinosaurs, and if you look closer at this Archaeopteryx, you can see many features that dinosaurs had and that birds had. You can see that they share many characteristics. If you look the tail is bony and it looks like a dinosaur tail, while if you look the mouth, it has a small teeth, and if you look the fingers, it has hand claws like Velociraptor and Deinonychus, and it had also feathers to use it for flight. And this bird-like dinosaur, it lived around 175 to 150 million years ago during the latest Jurassic period and the earliest Cretaceous period. Birds use feathers for flight, but they also use feathers for social behavior, for communication, and dinosaurs may have used feathers in the same way as you see in modern day birds. One species of birds that is alive today that is very close related to, that is very close, that looks like a velociraptor, is actually Cassowary. Cassowary, if you look at Cassowary's feet, they just look like a velociraptor, So there's no doubt that birds are related to dinosaurs, and dinosaurs are also dinosaurs. So birds are related to dinosaurs, but also birds are dinosaurs. Thank you very much for watching my video. I just remember to subscribe my channel, and I will see you in the next one. Goodbye.